What's going on, and welcome to another episode of Tech Tuesdays. Just made that up. It's not really called Tech Tuesdays, but it's a little different from our usual gameplay on Sundays. I have my keyboard here. Reason why I took it apart here, which I should have showed you guys in the video, but I didn't. It's super simple. So right here's my button. It was sticking, so I had to kind of clean it out so that I could get rid of the juice that was spilled on it a couple weeks back. What I'm doing right now is I'm trying to saturate this alcohol. It's Q-tip with alcohol, and I'm just rubbing the sides because the sides still had a little bit of dried juice on it, which is the reason why my button was sticking. I hate that. I'm pretty sure. Oh, I dropped it. Okay, I got it. Now, I'm just cleaning around the surface. I don't know if you guys can see that. Just cleaning around the surface because, as I said, it had dry juice on it. I'm cleaning this a little bit. That's where that button sits. So you see this right here? Yeah, it's like a little red. See a little red there? See? Yeah, that's the juice. It was spilled there on a couple other keys. I was able to clean the other ones, and I thought I cleaned this one really well, and clearly I did not. With that being said, and then once you put it back, it should be able to sound like this. All right, that's the hope. Spring is fine. Spring is fine. It doesn't need to be wiped out. But how this was, boom, bam,
bop, bada bop, boom, pow.
Okay, I don't know if you guys see me put that together. However, you just add this on there. You should hear a click. Once you hear a click, that means it's connected. Heard that? It's connected. And then you place this bad boy go. Pop that. There you go. That's how you deal with something that's sticky from juice spills or any other spills that'll make your buttons hard to the touch. You can do the same thing with remotes, but with remote controls, they are more complex because all the components and you remove them safely. But thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys on the next video.